What is that?
Burnt rice. This is burnt rice.
Oh, that one.
We're going to Sean wasabi right here, boy.
Marble soda is best.
Yeah, marble soda.
Can the camera see this area?
No, I was walking it the whole time.
If they can. Are you ready for power supply, Michael?
Yeah. Don't unplug anything.
What?
Don't unplug anything.
I'm not. You have to force all the cables into this tiny hole.
Wanna watch Ruby on Netflix tonight?
Maybe.
It's all on Netflix, every season.
I'm gonna pull the cables over this way, so that way we're not just pulling on it. I'm trying hard not to accidentally tug on any of the LED cables. Alright, slide that fucker in.
Is anything breaking?
Not at all. Now he's screwed in.
Anyway, season 4 of Ruby comes out October 22nd.
Cool. Where's my screwdriver? Did you take my screwdriver?
Enjoy it.
Yay!
That's before Mr. Iwata died. Dude, that's so sad.
What?
Please enjoy.
His voice is in this song, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the Please Enjoy.
Yeah, and thank you very much. What did he die of?
He had, I think he had cancer or something. Well, he had like a blockage in his intestinal area.
Yeah.
Yeah. It would be awesome to learn this on Launchpad, dude.
I have it on Launchpad.
Really?
It's not the same way he has it set up, though.
Well, he made it. He made the remix.
Well, this whole song is a remix of like 500 other songs.
And sound.
And sounds. Molex. It's the one that looks like this. The really gross one.
This is from Porter Robinson's Sad Machine.
Did you just Sad Bot by Monster Cat?
No. Wait, what cable is it called?
Molex.
Oh,
M-O-L-E-X.
Right here.
It's shaped like this disgusting bullshit.
Oh shit.
Oh, no, it's gotta plug into the power
Yeah, it has a
supply.
plug-in. Found it. Yeah.
Gross.
Why is it gross?
This Molex is so horribly outdated.
Why does mine need one then?
Because, this is how you control your fan controllers. And then there was another cable that I think you're maybe sitting on or something. It's a little teeny tiny cable.
I think I was put it right here.
Japanese word of the day だぜ。Wow.
Is this it?
Yes.
You told me it was useless.
I thought it was useless.
Then why do I need it then?
Because this This plugs into a fan header on your motherboard.
Alright.
Or does it? No, this plugs into a single fan. What the fuck? What did I just unplug? Oh, this is power. Never mind, you can hold on to this. Let's put this fan. Oh, this is the peripheral. I'm getting another foot crack from this. It's so violent.
What, one Frank, Filthy Frank screamed it?
Yeah. God damn it!
I like it.
Setting that to the side. Hold, please.
Why am I holding all of this?
Because it makes it easier for me to get my hand in there and plug this in.
Didn't work.
You know, a whole lot easier way would just be to take the power supply out. But I just did it, so no point. Cool.
There's two cables there.
Yep. Hand wasn't bent that way. Oh my god. Oh.
Which chord is this? VGA.
Do you have a different VGA cable?
In here?
One that looks like this one?
In the back?
Yes.
Good.
Or does it look like this one?
Just two VGA?
Yeah, it's got an 8-pin and then a 6+2 pin. Alright, cool. I'll twist tie this one up.
What the
This is a really cool one.
Yeah, you can like zip tie or twist tie that one. There. You're all power supplied up.
It's all good? Yep. Pretty much just plugging into the motherboard and cable management, right?
Yeah.
Let's screw it. I'm just gonna not zip tie and shove in the bag. What's this?
Oh, it's a power supply tester.
Oh, okay.
So, like, if you feel that your power supply is broken or something, you could use that. pull all these cables away.
We're gonna plug all these into the motherboard?
Yep. This is your hard drive? No, that's low on somehow. This should be C. This is graphics card. This is graphics card. This is CPU. This is motherboard. And then this is hard drive and hard drive. There's so many cables.
My son's been jerking off in his bathroom. He's been jerking off in his bathroom. I'm building a shed. I'm building a shed.
Where did it say to plug in my operating system on my motherboard again?
Your operating system doesn't plug in. It's a USB port. You just plug it in front of your case.
Yeah, but it said OS goes in here or something like that.
Oh, that I remember. What is this, Cup Song?
No, it's a Sean Sorry. Yeah.
Camera still getting it?
Yep.
Oh, here. I'm gonna lift it up a bit so it catches cable management.
Sounds an awful cable management everything.
This has no right to exist in life.
And this is called mac and cheese.
Oh, I heard about that. I just never got around to listening to it. You do know that a lot of this is going to have to be time-lapse, right? Because I probably can't use any of this music.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Where there's a will, there's a way, kind of beautiful. And every night has its day. It's so
It actually looks a lot better.
Avicii live from Ultra 2015.
The good part with having all of these products when building a new PC, free zip ties, free twist ties.
Yeah.
Came out to play. Went face to face with all our fears. Learned our lessons through.
What the hell?
You should put on electric radio or whatever it's called. Because it's literally like Hot 101 or something, but like dubstep, electronic
You know
dance.
what I'm gonna play instead?
What? I forget, what is this?
Stone Bank. It's
Oh, I think this was like the one that I
Lift you
didn't
up.
like.
what?
I don't think I like this one.
It was okay. Really?
Oh no, I think I do like this one. You should listen to my Monster Cat playlist.
Just have a fast startup here.
What are these two? These are fan screws. These are gonna go with your liquid cooler.
So how are we gonna plug all this stuff into my motherboard?
You'll see. Rubber grommets. Do you want to put your hard drive and SSD in, and then we can start cabling? Because like once we have everything in, we can start routing the cables a certain way, and they won't get caught on anything. Okay. SSD or hard drive first. Hard drive's up there. SSD's right there. All right.
Box cutter.
All right. I'll bring the hard drive over for when we're ready. I'll be the one to lift you up. Never mind. This was the one that I liked.
Yeah, we'll do some. Oh, look at that. Say that
Show the camera. I love the presentation of this. And the solid state drive's aluminum. Like, tap it. Listen. Hey, here, pause your music real quick.
Yeah.
It's aluminum. No, wait. Yeah.
Screwdriver. Sorry. What if my sweaty hands get all over my computer? Would it hurt it?
If you electrocute it, probably.
I took out the bay.
Okay.
How does it go on?
Screws. Where is your manual? I'm just gonna look for the giant list of screws. Standoff, position, standoff, screw, fan insulation. Nope. Screw M3 times 5 millimeter for 2.5 inch hard drive insulation. Here.
Which bay do you want me to put it in? This one?
Either one. It's up to you. Just note, whatever one you want to put a Q plus in, don't put it in that one.
So which way does it go in?
The ports are going to face towards the back of your case, so that way.
Like this? Like that?
Yes. Now you're going to screw it in.
Can you hold it? Come here, hold it.
You should listen to my Monster Cat playlist. I have like 80 songs in there. It's all on YouTube.
On my EDM playlist on SoundCloud, I have like 140.
This is my favorite. This is like one of my favorite 5-year anniversary songs.
Oh shit.
Tied with oh, never mind. Tied with Break the Silence.
Break the Silence is that giant one with all those
With all
artists.
the artists.
World is my favorite Monster Cat artist.
Yeah.
I love them. They're my absolute favorite.
I realized that like I'm pretty sure every time Color Drive sings a song, it's with World.
Wait, Color Drive?
Color Drive.
Let me see this.
Oh, I'm falling. Is that any better? Kind of. Just a thumb screw. Hey! SSD is installed. Now we just gotta plug it in.
I'm just worried about my sweaty hands getting all over the parts. Is that a bad? Sure.
No, not necessarily. I mean, you
You
don't
have the same problem sometimes too, right?
sometimes. You don't want to mix water and electronics. It's not rocket science.
I know.
These are all case screws, right?
Yes, I think, yeah. Okay, screw.
What? It's magnetic. What if the screws hang on?
Oh god!
Isn't that cool?
Jesus!
Why don't you just pick them out? Did you just screw up life?
Dropping tiny black things.
Okay, hard drive. Ow!
Yay, hard drive.
I hurt myself. I'm gonna move
Alright.
the toolbox that way.
Turn it around.
Yeah, see, your power supply even came with Velcro straps.
What?
Power supply. Velcro straps. Okay, hard drive, you ready? You should take the cage out.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm doing.